Welcome back to Soft Asia. In this video I will create a digital clock using JavaScript. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, I will retrieve HTML elements with their ID attributes and assign them to constant variables. Get element by ID. AM PM. Second, minute, seconds. I will define a function named updateClock. I will create a new date object and retrieve the current hour using the getHours method. Let fetch equals Similarly, I will retrieve current minutes and seconds using getMinutes and getSeconds method respectively and assign them to variables. I will initialize the variable AM/PM with value AM representing either AM or PM of current time. I will use if statement to check if hour is greater than 12. If it is, then I will subtract 12 from hours to convert it to a 12-hour format, and then I will update the value of AM/PM variable to PM since the hour is now in the evening. I will use ternary operator to add a leading 0 to the hour, minutes and seconds if it is less than 10, and if it is 10 or greater, values remains unchanged. I will set inner text property of the hour element to the value of variables h, updating the displayed hour. And similarly, I will also update values of minutes, seconds, and AM, PM variables. I will schedule updateClock function to be called again after 1 second delay using setTimeout function. And at the end I will call updateClock function. Our code is complete. Now let's check on front end how does it look. The clock is working fine. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.